Ladies and gents, I've got some breaking news out of YouTube that you really need to hear, especially if you're a new creator trying to figure out how to actually make money with your shorts. So check this out. Up until now, shorts have been amazing for reach, right? You post something catchy, it pops off, maybe you get a few thousand views, maybe you pick up some new subscribers, but the money, not so great. Let's be honest. If you get 1 million views, you might see $50 to $100 if you're lucky, but YouTube just dropped a big update that could seriously change the game for anyone ready to actually treat shorts like a real income stream. Here's the scoop. YouTube is rolling out something called shopping product stickers. These are brand new. They're basically shoppable tags that show up right on your short instead of that tiny shopping button on the right-hand side that nobody ever clicked. You know what I'm talking about? And get this, in early tests, YouTube found that shorts with these stickers got over 40% more clicks than the old shopping buttons. So right away, I am seeing massive potential. And you guys, I've been on YouTube since 2009. I'm a consultant. I work with huge channels and I see updates all the time. I'm telling you right now, this one is going to be a game changer if you want to earn more revenue with your short form content. And here's the big reason why YouTube is doing this. They're seeing how much money TikTok is pulling in with their shopping tools. Creators over there have been selling products straight from videos, racking up billions of dollars in revenue for the platform. And YouTube wants a slice. They want a slice of the pie. They want that sweet apple pie. So they're finally giving creators like you better tools to actually make that happen inside of shorts. But here's the part that really made me pause for a second. Let's do some quick math so you really get how big this is. On average, a typical short makes around 5 to 12 cents per 1,000 views with AdSense. If you manage to pull in 1 million views, which is not easy, but it is doable with shorts, you're looking at what, 50 bucks, maybe $120 on a good day? Now let's flip that. Imagine you use these new product stickers to promote something in your short. Let's say you sell just one affiliate product for every 1,000 views. That's one sale per 1,000. Totally realistic if you're showing off products you're actually using, the things that you love, and the things that you talk about regularly. If you make $10 in commission per sale, that means that same 1 million views just made you $10,000 in affiliate commissions instead of just $100 in AdSense. That's not a small bump. That's a total shift in how shorts can pay you. All right, now before you get too hyped about this, you need to set this up properly. Otherwise, you're going to waste the opportunity. So here's your quick starter guide. First, you need to be approved for the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. This isn't automatic. Your channel needs to be monetized, have no major community guideline strikes, and you can't be a made for kids or music channel. Once you're in, you'll see the option to tag products when you upload a short or a long form video or even go live. Second, when you upload a short, go to tag products in the upload flow, search for the products or brands you're actually using or showing in the video. Don't just spam random links. It needs to be clear and authentic or nobody's going to click. Third, the sticker is auto-generated for the first product you tag. So if you tag 3 or 4 products, make sure your main moneymaker is at the top of the list. You can tag up to 30 products if you really want to go big. Anybody want to go big? Leave it in the comments. Fourth, placement matters. You can only adjust the size and placement of the sticker in the YouTube main app. If you upload from desktop or studio mobile, the sticker just drops wherever and that can kill your clicks. So upload, then open your short in the app and move that sticker wherever it looks good. And then finally, my friends, show the product. Don't just slap a sticker on your video. Use the product in your video, showcase how you use it, talk about it and why you love it. People click because they trust you, not because they're being sold to. This isn't the home shopping network. No HSN here, my friends. All right, you guys, so here's the bottom line. Shorts used to be all about reach. Now with these new shopping stickers, they can actually be about real money as well. This is the first time that shorts can actually compete with TikTok's shopping push. And with 200 billion daily views on shorts, you've got a massive opportunity if you're ready to play this smart. The creators who figure out how to blend shorts reach with smart affiliate sales early, they're going to be the ones winning big in this next wave of YouTube monetization. So yeah, you guys, this isn't just some tiny update. It's a real signal from YouTube that they want shorts to make creators real money, not just views. And if you want to see how this shift fits into the big picture for growing your channel, I broke all that down in my other video where I explain exactly why shorts are finally worth it and how to use them alongside your long form videos the right way to grow your channel. I'll see you over there. Bye.